Okay, so hello there guys and welcome back to R&G Forge. And so today we're going to be making a Viking flatbread cooking sort of thing here. And it's going to be this shape that you see on the table. So it's going to have this curl on the back here. And then this part here, which is a big spiral, which is going to be where you cook your flatbread on. And if you don't know what a Viking flatbread is, you'll see that at the end of the video. I will be cooking some over the fire. And so we're going to be starting with a 10mm square, which is 125 centimeters long. It's a bit of a really long bar. And so yeah, we'll put two tapers on, put the curl, put the spar around, and we'll get right to it then. Let's light the forge. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting square taper short on this side, quite short. Okay. Now I'm going to take the corners off. Okay, so I'm going to bend down. I've got loads of stuff in the way here that you can't see on the camera, but it's a bit messed up in the shop. Oh, it's all gone wonky. I'll sort it out. Okay, so I've finally got this looking how I want, sort of. It's just so hard moving this bar around in this super small shop, but yeah. So now I'll quench that in water, and we'll move on to doing the spiral on the other side. We'll first do the taper, and then spiral it, and I'll just show you the hook here, so it looks. Okay, let's get to doing that then. So I'm going to start tapering at this end. Okay, so we're going to start with the spiral, and none of this is going to be done over the horn. It's all going to be done on... Oh, I'm so stuck in it. It's going to be done over the face of the handle. And it might surprise someone who isn't a blacksmith and doesn't know the technique, but none of this is done over the horn. Now, as this bar gets shorter, it's going to be easier and easier for me because the back of this is banging into the forge and don't have much space. Yeah, this is not moving easily now, but bit by bit we'll get there. Okay. qua sta succedendo proprio quello che non deve succedere. Okay, so finally the forging of the scroll is done, and now I'm going to put the hardy forking back in the hardy hole, the bending fork back in the hardy hole, and we're going to offset the spiral here to this side here a bit so that it's balanced, because right now you can't hold this because it's really unbalanced, and it will also give it a bit better look. So we'll take one more heat around here, put the fork in, and then do the bend. Okay, now oh, that's hot. Oops, that's hot. Right, okay. The last thing we're going to do now is put a twist here. And so I'll move the camera, and that's going to be our final step then. Okay guys, so out of the fire, and I want to try and get a good twist on this. So it's going to be quite long. And try and keep everything straight here. And bring it back to its original position, which was like this. And just gonna straighten it all up. That's actually giving it quite a nice touch. So I want to brush it. And that is going to be it for this, guys. So at the start, the spiral kind of went a bit pear-shaped, I think. We did have some mishaps, but we got there in the end, and we've come out with a nice result. And this will be a useful tool for cooking in the garden, and also when we go camping mainly, and bushcrafting. And so yeah, let's cook some flatbreads now. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Let's go. Oh, this won't stay still. There we are. Okay, see you guys.